Good morning. Quick look at the back garden here. Some of our leafy green vegetables. We got some broccoli and some collards and some Swiss chard, some kohlrabi, mustards, spinach. Here we've got our raspberries. View of the front garden. It's not quite as far behind. I'll take and show you some detail on that in a second. A couple of our blueberry bushes. Got a small wild blueberry right here. And then another pretty good sized blueberry bush over here. So there you go. You can get a better view of it here. Back there behind you, you see we've got some hot peppers, some bell peppers, some other things that have yet to come in here. I think possibly, looks like some squash possibly starting to come in. Let's take a look here and see what our tag says. Summer squash and nasturtium. I guess that's how you say that, nasturtium. It's a flower that's supposed to support those. Got some tomatoes here. And then a lot of the other stuff, like you see, is just barely starting to sprout up in some places. Some of it you don't really see at all. Right here's corn. You can see a couple of those starting to come up there in the back. And then here on the hill, melons. Each of those plants have got little sprouts coming up out of them. There's 6 of them there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then back here on the hill here, we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And those are watermelons, different varieties of watermelon. One more area I'll show you, and then we'll be done for the day. Actually, I'll take that back. There's a couple more areas. Here's the blackberries here. There's the blackberry bushes coming in. Got some flowers on those. And we're right around the corner here. We have strawberries. Strawberries aren't doing great right at the moment. They were transplanted a little late, but they are doing okay. And then down here, you see these 3 mounds. These are giant pumpkins. These are the supposed to be like 200 plus pound pumpkins. So we'll see how well those do. I'm curious to see how big we can get these boys to come up. So one of them you can see is starting to sprout up here. Got a little bit coming. So on how that's coming, hopefully we'll get us a big 200 pounder. All right. Quick view of the stream there. We planted banana trees across there, not to get banana fruit, but just because I think it would help the aesthetic there a little bit. We've also got some false bird of paradise between each one of those, so you'll have a banana, false bird of paradise, banana, false bird of paradise, and so forth. So hopefully those will come up and you get to see that in full bloom. All right, you guys have a good one. Bye-bye.